It's the face for me. It's the face. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. It's the hair for me. It's the face for me. It's the skin for me. Oh, ciao. Okay. So you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo, and I'm so excited to be back on your screen. And I want to thank you guys so much for your love and your support. And if this is your first time here, do the right thing and like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel because it's the right thing and to do. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm actually buzzing with excitement. Okay, maybe I should be a rapper. Anyways, let me calm down. So in this weekly vlog, what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna go shopping with me. I'm gonna be, for the first time in like a long time, I'm going grocery shopping, you know, like physically going to the store and like buying stuff. Yeah, definitely. So, and I'm gonna be going to get a new perfume, child, which I'm excited about because it smells good. A belly ring piercing, and I'm gonna be piercing my ears as well. Child, this vlog is gonna be fun and I'm excited about it, so hope you watch it till the end. Okay, and so what I'm gonna be doing this morning, you guys, I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing my makeup, and it's not gonna be like a formal get ready with me. It's like a chit chat get ready with me. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup, and I wanted to do like a get ready with me where I'm going to be showing you guys an outfit, perfume, and makeup, and all those things. But I feel like it's just too much admin, and I'm not sure if I'm ready for that, or if I'm up for that, or if I have no idea. But that video is gonna come after this vlog. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I'm gonna be doing, or I should just save it for the get ready with me. So yeah, please do the right thing and go follow me on Instagram and comment down below and let me know what you think about this video and the next video and the last video. Yeah, okay. I can show off my belly ring. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I hope this one heals.
You can use either salt water, surgical spirit, and do not remove the ring for the next 4 weeks.
I suggest use salt water because it's natural.
Okay.
That surgical spirit is it works like, how can I say, it's gonna make it scab and flake.
Okay.
So,
So you guys, for piercing, now you need like your ID, you need to sign a consent form. Thank you so much for watching. Go follow me on Instagram at Maphumulo and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video, comment down below, and see you on the next one.